Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Organic crop cultivation is with fertilizers, without fertilizers, with organic manures, none of these. Right answer is without fertilizers. Thinning in vegetable is practiced to maintain plant to plant distance, land to land distance, both of these, none of these. Right answer is plant to plant distance. Transplanting means shifting of seedlings, shifting of large plants, shifting of potted plants, all of these. Right answer is shifting of seedlings. Shrubs fall in the category of 7 to 15 feet high, 25 feet high, more than 25 feet, none of these. Right answer is 7 to 15 feet high. Deciduous plants are mostly grown in hilly areas, in plains, along rivers, none of these. Right answer is hilly areas. Vine means climbing or trailing plants with herbaceous stem, woody stem, both of these, none of these. Right answer is herbaceous stem. Monoecious plants have male and female sexes flowers on same plant, different plants, both of these, none of these. Right answer is same plant. Hardy crop or plants are acclimatized against frost, extreme heat, both of these, none of these. Right answer is both of these. True fruits developed from ovary, thalamus, pericarp, all of these. Right answer is ovary. Drupe fruits have all the three ovarian layers: fused, separated, mixed, none of these. Right answer is separated. Creeping vegetables crops are grown on beds, ridges, flats, all of these. Right answer is beds. Mango is drupe fruit, palm fruit, berry fruit, aggregate fruit. Right answer is drupe fruit. Citrus is special type of berry, palm, drupe, none of these. Right answer is berry. Dicots could be identified on the basis of reticulate leaf venations, parallel venations, no leaf venations, none of these. Right answer is reticulate leaf venations. In binomial nomenclature system, first name is genus name, species name, family name, subfamily name. Right answer is genus name. Most of summer vegetables belong to family Solanaceae, Cucurbitaceae, Malvaceae, Poaceae. Right answer is Cucurbitaceae. Cultivar means some cultivated variety, discarded variety, rejected variety, approved variety. Right answer is some cultivated variety. Pears and beans are rich source of carbohydrates, protein, both, none of these. Right answer is protein. Potato and sweet potato are well known for carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, all of these. Right answer is carbohydrates. Leafy vegetables provide iron, carbohydrates, protein, none of these. Right answer is iron. Iron is a carrier of oxygen, carbon dioxide, both of these, none of these. Right answer is oxygen. Vitamin A is effective against night blindness, beriberi disease, gum problems, none of these. Right answer is night blindness. Carrot is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. Right answer is vitamin A. Cole crops are comprised of cauliflower, cabbage, knoll cole, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Salad crops are lettuce, radish, cabbage, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Which of the following crop is grown sexually? Potato, garlic, onion, turmeric. Right answer is onion. Tomato varieties are mainly indeterminate type, determinate type, both types, none of these. Right answer is both types. Fertigation refers to the application of fertilizer with water, rain, both of these, none of these. Right answer is water. In hydroponic system, plants are grown in water, soil, sand, gravels. Right answer is water. Through drip, we can provide water, fertilizer, both of the above, none of these. Right answer is both of above. Nitrogen in vegetable is needed for vegetative growth, ripening or maturity, reproductive growth, none of these. Right answer is vegetative growth. Seed potato seed has dormancy, rest period, both of these, none of these. Right answer is dormancy. Carrot and coriander belongs to the family Umbellifera, Crucifera, Cucurbitaceae, none of these. Right answer is Umbellifera. Potato belongs to the family Solanaceae, Umbellifera, Crucifera, none of these. Right answer is Solanaceae. Melons belong to the family Cucurbitaceae, Solanaceae, Crucifera, none of these. Right answer is Cucurbitaceae. Melons have seeds in cavity or center, secreted, both type maybe, none of these. Right answer is cavity or center. Cantaloupe belongs to the group Cucurbitaceae, melons, gourds, squashes. Right answer is melons. Hybrid varieties of cucumber grown in tunnels are parthenocarpic, zygotic, both types, none of these. Right answer is parthenocarpic. Stacking of vines in rainy season is done to avoid insect attack, disease attack, sun scald, none of these. Right answer is disease attack. Optimum temperature for potato tuber formation is 20 to 22 centigrade, 25 to 30 centigrade, 22 to 25 centigrade, all of these. Right answer is 20 to 22 centigrade. Tuber initiation in potatoes starts after 7th week, 9th week, 5th week, 4th week. Right answer is 7th week. Color of carrot depends upon age, variety, season, all of these. Right answer is all of these. Splitting of carrot is due to fresh manure, heavy fertilizer, less fertilizer, none of these. Right answer is fresh manure. High temperature in chilies causes flower drop, fruit drop, both of the above, none of these. Right answer is both of the above. Early blight and late blight of potato are fungal disease, viral disease, bacterial disease, or disorders. Right answer is fungal diseases. Potato dormancy can be broken through chemical treatment, low temperature, both of these, none of these. Right answer is both of these. Dormancy period in potato is about 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, or half month. Right answer is 2 months. Seed rate per acre in potato for autumn crop is 90 to 1100 kg, 500 kg, 400 kg, 100 kg. Right answer is 900 to 1100 kg. Potato cut tuber are used for planting during autumn crop, spring crop, both of the above, none of above. Right answer is spring crop. Halo heart of potato is a disease, disorder, insect attack, deficiency. Right answer is disorder.